What's up, Wildcats? Chef Ryan Clark here with Casino del Sol for another recipe from Sol Bowl's Champion Tailgate of the Week. This week's recipe, we're featuring Heirloom Farmers Market again. So we have E&R pork. We're using their red wattle pork belly. We're gonna do a coffee rub on it. So I've got some coffee from Yellow Brick, a little bit of brown sugar. What I'm gonna do is add some salt. So a pretty good amount of salt to that, a little bit of pepper. Just gonna kind of give that a light mix. And this is gonna go right onto our pork belly. So I'm gonna rub this in, both sides, and just give us a little flip here. Put a little bit on the bottom side. This is gonna go right onto the grill. Again, really hot grill, away from the heat up here. We'll put this kind of skin side up. Turn the grill down to about 250. And we'll drop this down, let it slow cook. It's been about 2.5 hours now. See, our pork belly is cooked down a little bit. It's perfect. So we're gonna pull that off. We're gonna bring it over. It's important that we let this rest. So I've got a couple of garnishes for this. So we're turning this into a BLT sandwich or a pork belly lettuce and tomato sandwich. So one of the components is green chili. So you can get these already roasted at the farmer's market. So I'm just gonna give these kind of a rough chop. Leave the seeds in there, it makes it nice and spicy. I like to leave the char of the pepper in there too because it adds a lot of flavor. That's perfect. We'll go right back into the bowl. So to this, we're gonna add a bit of aioli. Again, just a touch of vinegar. You can use whatever vinegar you like. Salt and pepper. Give that a little mix. We'll start to prepare our baguette here. So we got a beautiful baguette from Barrio Bread. I'm gonna go ahead and split this in half. I'll flip this guy open here. A little bit of olive oil. Head over to the grill, drop these down. So we've got some sliced heirloom tomatoes here. Next, we're gonna take the pork belly. We wanna slice this. It's really hot. We've let it rest a little bit. Smells really good. You can smell the coffee, a little bit of the brown sugar that caramelized on it. Of course, that pork flavor, that pork fat almost smells like bacon. A little bit of smoke that you get off the grill from low and slow cooking. Next, we're gonna season our tomatoes, a little bit of salt and pepper, and we can start building our sandwich here. So a little bit of the green chili mayo. I just wanna spread that out. We'll lay down our tomatoes here. Different varieties of beautiful heirloom tomatoes. And we have our coffee cured pork belly. And I've got just a little bit of arugula. We're just gonna dress this simply. This is olive oil, just a little bit, apple cider vinegar, salt and pepper. We just do a little light toss, lay that down. Bring up our top, and that's it. This is our pork belly BLT. And here we go. We have this week's Casino del Sol Sol Bowl Champion Tailgate recipe. This is a PBLT, so a play on the bacon, lettuce, and tomato, but we're using pork belly rubbed with coffee and brown sugar. And it's paired up with a Dragoon Stronghold Session Ale. Hope you guys enjoy it.